Hello friends, welcome back to my channel S4 Creations, and today I will show you how to upload scheduled videos on YouTube. So the need of scheduled videos is that you can upload your videos on particular date and time as you wish. This will be helpful if you are uploading a series of videos. So let's get started.
If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon for instant notifications.
So the first step is to open the Chrome and type on www.youtube.com, and if you're uploading a video through the Chrome, your video will be uploaded very fastly than you're on the YouTube specific app, and sign into your YouTube account and tap on the three buttons on top and click on the desktop side, and it will be showing as you're doing on a computer, and you will be getting all the options on computer that are not getting on the specific YouTube app on mobile. And tap on the camera icon and click on the upload a button, and this is the important part. So you need to select the scheduled, then only you can upload a video as scheduled, and select the video you need to upload. So just select the video from the file which you are saved on it, and give the necessary informations to the video. So you can add descriptions, tag the people, and like that. And the next thing is to select the date for the video and give the time. So I will give here 7 o'clock and give the time zone. So as I am in India, I will give Kolkata. So just select the time zone as where you live, and next you can give the necessary things to your video, like you can select the category, give the translation, video language, recording date, and etc. And also you can give the custom thumbnail for your video. So just select that, give the recording name, and then tap on the publish button, and now your video is uploaded, and it will take the time as your video length and time and your internet speed. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video, then please do like, share the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for instant notifications when I upload a new video on YouTube. So for more techie and helpful videos, stay tuned with S4 Creations, and let me see you in my next video. Bye bye.